Hey everybody, it's Jeff Duggins and Michael Snowden with H2O Designs coming at you with another episode of the Backyard Oasis. Tell us about the existing pool that was here and what the customer wanted to accomplish with this beautiful pavilion and outdoor kitchen area here.
They obviously had the pool and the landscaping. They just wanted a place to obviously have a kitchen, get away from the sun, hang out, have a TV. He's a big fall football kind of guy, so he wanted to sit out here and watch fall football and enjoy the pool and everything that they already had. So we had a little bit of a challenge the way it was turned. There was no way to do really a gable roof, and they didn't really want a hip roof because it closed it off so much. So we did this shed style roof, and
I love the open design.
Yeah,
we've done a lot of these over the last couple of years. And
right.
It's kind of one of your design things. But I really like the open design, especially going out into the pool area.
Yeah, they don't work everywhere, but the right application, it works perfect. You know, most of the weather here comes from behind us, so that shed roof works. You know, we've got radiant heaters, we've got ceiling fans, and as you can see, all the amenities in the kitchen that a man could want.
Let's talk a little bit more about that, because, I mean, for a small kitchen, this has a little bit of everything.
Yeah.
We got 1, 2, 3, 4 different cooking devices in a small kitchen.
He wanted to be able to do everything out here. So we've got a pizza oven, power burners, flat top grill, and tons of storage and doors and drawers.
Nice.
It's just the perfect outdoor kitchen. Lots of prep space, countertop, like I say, storage, and it's an awesome kitchen for outside.
Right. And I love the way we did you have the bar area here behind us, and then you also got another bar area with the couch up against that. So a lot of seating area crammed into a small space right here.
They entertain a lot of people and wanted to be able to fit, you know, different people in here at different times. So that's why we did the floating granite. Got the bar tops, the bar stools there. The bar stools can turn around if somebody's cooking and they want to interact, they can do that.
Nice.
And then somebody can sit in the couch and not block the view to the TV or the fireplace.
So kind of a stadium style.
Kind of a stadium style, yeah.
Nice,
yeah.
Nice. Fireplace area, the gas fireplace is just phenomenal. Love the look. It's got the modern look at it. We did another one last year that we've done a project showcase on, so it's kind of becoming a really nice theme for.
Yeah, clean looks. Linear fireplaces are kind of the way to go, and they're just gorgeous with the lighting and the glass, the broken glass inside, and they look awesome.
We talked about the outdoor audio a lot in our projects, and we're really starting to design a lot of that outdoor audio into there. It's like
Yeah, absolutely.
But these speaker systems, we actually tied this one into the TV and the audio, and we have 2 different zones. Well, why don't you talk about how the zones work and how everything?
Yeah, so if they're watching a game, they can turn it on all the speakers and hear the game. If they want to listen to music out by the pool, they can do that, and somebody can be in here watching the game. And if they want to have a throwdown, big music party, they can turn them all on and just have a blast.
Right.
Concert style.
It's almost like an auditorium. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 speakers, I think, with the subwoofer that had all the sound to it. So yeah, I mean, I think it's just a really closed in, again, another small area that we turned into a backyard oasis.
Yeah, it's a perfect party pad. It really is.
So we just talked about how the homeowner likes to enjoy football season, and with football season comes fall and winter. So explain what we did to kind of help. We got the fireplace giving off some heat there, but you're not getting a lot of heat out of that, obviously.
No, the fireplace is more of an ambiance mood setter, but the radiant heaters in the ceiling, we've got them angled back so that when you're underneath here, the heat, you reverse the ceiling fans, turn those heaters on, and it's really comfortable in here. Even though you've got some wind blowing through, those radiant heaters help a ton. They really do.
And they blend right. I mean, you have to look up and actually see them. They don't stick out like a sore thumb, if you will. On that
right. We mount them to where we can angle them to change the angle, or we can ceiling mount them, flush mount them to where you don't see them at all. Right. But yeah, you really don't even notice them. But in the wintertime, you definitely like to have it. Just turns it into an all-season type room.
Absolutely. We'll talk a little bit about the sconces. I think the homeowner actually picked these out.
She did.
Added her personal touch.
Yep, she showed me a picture of those, loved them. The lights flicker kind of like a gas lamp, which is great.
Right.
And then we found some hanging lanterns to match those that go over the floating bar. So it's just a really, really custom look that the homeowner showed us and kind of told us what she wanted, and we played off that. So
that's a really good example of, we do this all the time. The homeowners customers look to us for a lot of design ideas stuff, but we always encourage them to, put your own personal touch.
Yeah, absolutely.
Because we could have easily chose. There's hundreds of different tiles of sconces and lights, stuff like that.
Endless possibilities.
And that's something that the customers can, put their own finishing touches on and make it feel like home.
Definitely. Some customers want to do that. Some customers don't.
Right.
This customer had some ideas with colors and textures that she wanted to implement, and it worked out great. Everything turned out really good.
So we'll kind of work with whatever level they want us to.
Absolutely.
Yep.
Absolutely.
That's great. That's great. Anything else you want to say about this space? There's a lot going on.
There's a lot going on. I love how we separate the rooms. It's kind of a 2-room deal, but if you're in here cooking and hanging out and got the game on and people are sitting at the couch, everybody can interact with each other. It's just a really cool space.
We should start saying we do tiny houses.
Right? We just put walls on it. We're good to go.
It's an open air tiny house. That's
Absolutely. I love it.
All right, guys. That's a wrap here in Nicholasville, Kentucky. Thank you again for joining us for another episode of the Backyard Oasis.